Photon Moment 5. Making a bindle for larger samples. A totally different way of making a bindle. In Photon Moment 4, you were shown how to make a bindle for small items. When I taught at Penn State, Professor Ristenbat in the Forensic Science program showed me a different way of making a bindle. I find it useful for larger items. The method can also be found in this book by DeForest, Genslin, and Lee, written in 1983, or you can watch Photon Moment 5 and learn another way to make a bindle. We're going to start off with a piece of paper that's this size, and we're going to make a bindle that's this size. For comparison, this was the bindle that you were shown how to make in Photon Moment 4. And in Photon Moment 6, using a 12 by 12 inch piece of paper and following the same procedure as that shown in Photon Moment 4, you were shown how to make a bindle of this size using a 12 by 12 inch piece of paper, be a bindle of this size. Now, let me show you how to take a piece of paper that's this size and make a bindle that's this size. Start with an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, blank, ruled or quadro ruled. Fold the bottom up to within about a ½ inch of the top of the page. Then, make a tight crease at the bottom. Next, fold the ½ inch longer side over the shorter top, and you'll make a strong crease again. Using your fingernails helps to make that tighter crease. Fold one end over again about a ½ inch at one side, with the other side wider, about 1 inch. Or make that side wider than your thumb as a guide. Then, again, crease the fold. Take the shorter, narrower side and fold it to the halfway point or near the center, and again, make a tight crease. Now, the bindle makes a slight funnel with the wide end receiving the sample. When you've completed recovering your sample, fold the wider end and place the narrower end into the wider end, and again, tightly crease the fold. And now you have a slightly larger bindle for either a larger sample or more of your sample or evidence. And now you know an effective way of making a bindle for a larger sample. This is the DeForest, Genslin, and Lee text with drawings and written description of how to make this bindle. Thanks for watching.